Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Kayla Harris, and this PowerPoint is on staying hydrated and the benefits of hydration and water to the body. The functions of a water is to regulate body temperature. It also moistens the eyes, nose, and mouth, lubricates joints, protects body organs and tissues, and dissolves minerals and nutrients to make them accessible to the body. The proper intake of water for adults is around 8 to 9 cups of water, and those are 8 ounces per cup. And for a child, it would be 7 to 8 cups. Sorry. I also found that for a 1 to 3 year old, they approximately needs 4 cups of water per day, including water or milk, and it increases as the age increase. So for a 4 to 8 year old, they would need 5 cups, and for a 7 to 8 year old, they would need 7 and up would need 8 to 9 cups. Foods to include in the diet and includes water, cucumbers, salad, and zucchini. These all help the body stay hydrated. I found that cucumbers I found that cucumbers is 95% water. One serving of cucumber has only 8 calories, and it is also good in fiber, a good source of fiber, vitamin K, and vitamin A. Watermelon is the best hydration food in the summertime to me. It contains at least 92% of water serving as a great snack for staying hydrated, and it is a good source of antioxidants. Salad has about 95%, and it makes up 95% when using raw lettuce. And lettuce also helps strengthen bones, vision, and sleep. While zucchini, 1 cup of zucchini could contain up to 95% of water. So not necessarily do you have to actually drink the water, but you can also eat and still get the same source of water as an actual drinking a cup of water. The beverages to include would be water, Gatorade, Powerade, and Pedialyte. Things that include electrolytes. I found that when you're doing strenuous exercises, you want to include things like Gatorade or Powerade. And when you're just having like a light workout, it'd be great to just have water. You want to avoid a lot of alcoholic beverages, too much caffeine. Some of the consequences of not staying hydrated um, is that it could lead to heat injury, kidney problems, and seizures, which could cause something worse, which is the body going into hypovolemic shock. Some of the symptoms are dizziness, headache, fatigue, dry mouth, irritability, constipation, dark colored urine, which would mean that the urine is concentrated because it's not getting because you're not getting enough water into your system. And dry skin. High population beverages beverage choices influence the function of water in the body. The beverage choice a person makes depends on the amount of water consumed by the body, and I wanted to use alcohol as a example. I found that alcohol can dehydrate you, and one thing I know about the alcohol is that it is a diuretic to the body, which means it would cause you to keep frequently urinate. When consuming alcohol, it inhibits the ADH hormone, which is the antidiuretic hormone, and this hormone allows the uterus to hold in water. So when you're you're getting dehydrated, this hormone kicks in to force the body to hold in whatever water you have. But when drinking alcohol, it inhibits that hormone, so it no longer could do its job. So the body will excrete urine to try to rinse the body of alcohol and remove, as it's removing alcohol, it's also taking the water with it, and this causes dehydration. And these are my references. Thank you guys for listening. Have a nice day.